Hi guys, welcome back to Tech My College. Hope you are doing well. So here I present you the top 10 engineering colleges in Uttarakhand. So today I'll be covering the state of India, which is Uttarakhand. So I'll be covering the top 10 names on Uttarakhand, engineering colleges names in Uttarakhand. So here let's just first know more about Uttarakhand. That is a brief introduction to the state, which is also known as Uttaranchal and is a state in the northern part of India, also called as Devbhoomi. Uttarakhand is known for its natural beauty of Himalayas, and the capital of the Uttarakhand is basically Dehradun, which is the largest city as well, and the high court is available in Nainital. So cities like Nainital, Dehradun, Garhwal, Kumaon, give a grace to this entire state of Uttarakhand. So this was the introduction of Uttarakhand. Moving to our main subject, that is the top engineering colleges in Uttarakhand. Here I present you the list of top 8 engineering colleges in Uttarakhand. That is, at the very first, it is IIT Roorkee, Indian Institute of Technology of Roorkee. Talking more about Indian Institute of Technology, it is situated in Roorkee of Uttarakhand, and well, it's IIT, so I don't think there's much to say. It's the one of the most prestigious institute of country. Simple definition will be a place which fascinates all the students cherishing their dreams of IIT campus. Fee for the BTech course is 3,56,800 and JEE advanced rank is mandatory over here. Coming back to our list, that is at number 2, I have JV Pant in University of Agriculture and Technology, which is also known as GVPU ANT of Pantnagar. University is situated in Udham Singh Nagar of Pantnagar in Uttarakhand, and it's a great university with campus and study. Fee is quite affordable, which is 59,646. So that was all about GV Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, which is in the Pantnagar. And moving ahead, next at number 3 we have National Institute of Technology, Uttarakhand. Talking about National Institute of Technology, Uttarakhand is a public engineering institution in the Indian state of Uttarakhand, and it's in basically Srinagar of Uttarakhand only. Fee is quite affordable, that is 3,38,528, and intake in this college is taken by JEE Mains rank. And though it is a deemed university, but it is also recognized as the institute of national importance. Placements companies like Amazon, Infosys, DRDO, MUS Sigma and Infotech take their future employees from National Institute of Technology, which is at Uttarakhand. So that was number 3, NIT at Uttarakhand. Moving ahead, we have number 4, Graphic Era University. Talking about Graphic Era University, it is a deemed university located in Clement town of Dehradun. That's an amazing university in terms of campus infrastructure. It's quite professional and believe in urban teaching style. Extracurricular activities provides a platform for students to get international exposure. Fee is 8,87,460 and many other scholarships are being provided to the students on the basis of their 12th percentage. So that was all about Graphic Era University. Moving ahead, at number 5 I have Govind Ballabh Pant Engineering College, which is also known as GBPEC, and it's an autonomous institute which is located in Gundhari of Pauri Garhwal. Fee is 1,50,710 for the BTech course. An exam considered for the admission is state level, which is conducted by Uttarakhand Technical University. And Govind Ballabh Pant Engineering Colleges also conduct guest lectures and seminars from the eminent personalities. So that is Govind Ballabh Pant Engineering Colleges at number 5. At number 6 I have DIT in University. DIT University is a private university that is near Dehradun, and campus is surrounded by hills having a scenic atmosphere. It is quite well disciplined as well, and the fee is 8,11,700. There are various scholarship provided to the meritorious students, that is even if having CGPA as 9.5 then or the attendance is 90%, and there are various kinds of other parameters also which selects the students for the scholarship basis. So that is DIT at 6 number. At 7 I have University of Petroleum Engineering Studies, that is the College of Legal Studies. Talking about University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, it is located in Dehradun of Uttarakhand. and known for its education and research in fields of energy and power. Cost for the BTech course is 11,77,750. It only takes the minimum criteria for the intake is 60% marks in your 11th and 12th. That's it. And apart from that, it also provides many other scholarships, that is students having 80% marks in their 10th and 12th while taking the admission, or even after that students having 8 CGP in the second semester also are provided with the scholarship. And this is for the all India students. Apart from that, Uttarakhand domicile people are provided with the special scholarship in the college, in the University of Petroleum and Energy Studies. So that was all about University of Petroleum and Energy Studies in Dehradun, that is also known as UPES. So that was the 7th number. Moving ahead, we have Uttaranchal University at number 8. Talking about Uttaranchal University, it is situated in Dehradun, spread across 20 acres of land, and is one of the leading education hubs of India, with students enroll in different educational program. And the cost for the BTech course is 5,60,000, 62,450. Apart from that, Uttaranchal universities do provide scholarship, that is the special scholarship for the BTech students, special scholarship for the Uttarakhand domicile, and other scholarships as well as. Apart from that, the top recruiting companies which visit Uttaranchal universities are Infosys, Dell, Wipro, Samsung, and you can see the big names. So that was number 8, Uttaranchal University. At number 9, we have Roorkee College of Engineering, that is RCE. So talking about Roorkee College of Engineering at Roorkee, it is situated in outskirts of Roorkee city on National Highway 58. So this college presents the best in faculties as well as the excellent placement in top companies. Fee is quite affordable, that is 5,08,000, and the college has lush green campus with advanced facilities for the students. Companies recruiting from Roorkee College of Engineering are IBM, HCL, Microsoft, HP, and the big names. So that was number 9, Roorkee College of Engineering, RCE. At number 10, that is the last I have, Bipin Tripathi Kuman Institute of Technology at your Dharawat. So talking about Bipin Tripathi Kuman Institute of Technology is an autonomous engineering and technological institute in Almora district of Uttarakhand. Fee is 1,55,000, which is quite affordable, and if you have scored 50% or above, you can keep Bipin Tripathi Kuman Institute of Technology in your list, as it only asks for the minimum of 50% in PCM for the students who are willing to take admission in this college, that is Bipin Tripathi Kuman Institute of Technology of Dharawat. And it is affiliated by Uttarakhand Technical University as well. So these were the top 10 names I have on the basis of ranking, that is top 10 ranks to engineering colleges in Uttarakhand. At very first, I have Indian Institute of Roorkee, GB Pant College, National Institute of Technology, NIT, Graphic Era, followed by Govind Bhal, followed by DIT. Then I have University of Petroleum and Engineering Studies, Uttaranchal University, followed by Roorkee College of Engineering, and at last, summing up with all, that is Bipin Tripathi Kuman Institute of Technology at Dharawat. So these were the top 10 names that comes under the engineering colleges in Uttarakhand. So thank you for watching the video, guys. To know more about the updates, please do not forget to subscribe us at Tag My College. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.